Hi, boys and girls. It's time to do some math. And this week, I want to give children a little extra time who need it to kind of catch up on happy numbers. So, I want you to think about that today as you're planning the rest of your day. Now, we have some children who are well, everybody's working really hard, but I've been noticing that maybe they need a little extra time. And because we've been spending so much time on math, maybe you don't have time to get on there and work. Now, if you have started Module 5, you are right where you need to be. Now, parents, if you don't know what module your child is on, send me an email and I'll let you know. Okay, I know it's kind of hard to make announcements this way, but we have kids that are working a little bit below kindergarten level, all the way up to kids who are working on second grade level. And that's what's great about Happy Numbers, is that you can do it right on your level. And I've just noticed there's quite a large group right now who have kind of gotten stuck in level 4. And I'd like to see them get past level 4 and onto module 5 this time. All right, so I'm going to give you a couple pages to work on in your book, your workbook. Parents, you can make decisions. I think these 2 pages will be very easy for the children. It's not like when we were doing all of the number bonds and making equations. This is all about team numbers, groups of tens, and how many more. And I think the kids know a lot about this. So I'd like to see children who are under Module 5 to put in a little extra time, or at least sometimes. Some kids have stalled on this, and I'd like to see everybody hit the first grade mark before we move on to first grade. Okay, so I've got a few that are already there. Dayton, you made it to the first grade in math. Geneva is there. Caleb, he's gone ahead a little bit. Maxwell is there. Olivia is there. And Rivaldo is there. And Xylexis is right on Module 5. So she's making her way as well. So if you're still on Module 4 or lower than that, let's see if we can do a little more work. And boys and girls, this is your work. I will only know if you can do it if you're doing it by yourself. So give it a try. And parents, this should be independent work. So this week, my lessons are going to be a little shorter so that they can have more time to work on that, so they can be right where they need to be when they start first grade in the fall. All right. So today, boys and girls, we are going to work on 10 and more. Now, Miss Rudd always says, I have a group of 10 and 3 ones, or a group of 10 and 7 ones. And in the workbook, it's a little different. They say 10 ones and 7 ones. They don't say it's a group, but we know it really is, don't we? So if they said to you, please make the 10 frame be 10 ones and 4 ones. Do you know what that would look like? 10 ones would mean we have to fill a whole 10 frame. It says 10 ones. They don't mean you have to make the number 1. It's kind of confusing. They really want a group of 10 and 4 more. 10 ones and 4 ones. That would be 14. One group of 10 and 4 more. Now, on our paper today, they change it up for us a little bit. Let me show you. I'm going to erase 110 frame. And actually, I think I will leave it to be 10 ones in this. What they are doing is they're putting it next to instead of above and below. So if it was going to be a 10 ones and 4 ones, oops, sorry. Didn't go very straight there, did I? That's okay. So 10 ones and 4 ones. See how they're going across instead? I think it will still work for you. Now, what if they said, I'd like you to make 10 ones and 8 ones. There's my 10 ones. Do I have 8 here? No, I have 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 ones and 8 ones. One group of 10 and 8 more. So on your paper today, that's what you're going to be looking at. It's going to look like this. See how they turned it sideways? It says to draw 10 ones. That just means to fill in, with dots like we always have done. It's confusing when they say ones. It just means there should be a group of 10 and 3 more. I can make 10, 3. 10, 3. This one says I can make 10, 7. So you're going to do 10, 7. Hey, let's think about it. 10, 3. What would that equal? 10 and 3 more. Did you say 13? You're pretty smart. Here it says I can make 10, 7. 10, 7. A group of 10 and 7 more. What would that be? 1, 7, 17. Then you're going to do this page as well. So there's just 4 problems. I can make 10, 2. What would that number be? One group of 10 and 2 more. That's the number 12, right? And I can make 10, 9. A group of 10 and 9 more. So when we look at this, it would be I can make 10, 8. It just makes sense to me to say a group of 10 and 8 more. And if you're really ready, you could even write the number underneath to show me how smart you are. So boys and girls, that's what we're working on today, making 10, 8, or 10, 6, or 10, 3. You got this, right? And then you should have a little bit of time to get on to happy numbers. And if everybody got on happy numbers each day this week for 5 or 10 minutes, I think that we could make some progress. Now, parents, if your child is struggling, please let me know that. I don't want them to be miserable. I just want everybody to get as far as they can, and I'd like them to at least be up to the level we're working on together. So it's kind of like they're getting double the dose, and they're really getting a strong number base before moving on to first grade. But let me know if it's a struggle, because I do not want your child to be depending on you to help them. That should be independent. This, they may need a little assistance because of the reading that's involved. All right, boys and girls, I can't wait to see how you do. Have a great day.